let's do the same thing for this problem over here, finding our axis of symmetry. X is equal to the opposite of B over 2 times A. The opposite of -2 is +2. Oh my goodness. That should be a -1. And let's put the formula for our axis of symmetry up here in a box so we can find it if we come back to it later. If you're going back through your guided notes, this will make it easy to locate. Once again, this is our axis of symmetry. To find our vertex, we're going to plug the value we just found back into that equation. So we have -1 squared minus 2 times -1 plus 2. -1 squared is 1. A negative times a negative is a +2. And I believe this ends up being equal to 3. Making another data table. We know that our vertex is at -1, 3. We know another easy point is 0, and if we plug in 0, we will get our C, which is 2. Let's go ahead and sketch our axis of symmetry at x is equal to -1. And our vertex is the point -1, 3, 1, 2, 3, so it's here. Our A is -1. So this parabola will open downwards because A is less than 0. We have a point 0, 2. That must mean we have a matchy-matchy point here. And what else could we plug in? We could also plug in a +1. And if you did that and did the math, you can do that. You would come up with you would come up with -1 here. We have a point 1, -1. We'll have another matchy-matchy point here. And our parabola will look like this. Its vertex is the ordered pair -1, 3, and it is a maximum in this case.